Hi, welcome to this video on step-by-step guide for HoDs streamlining QEC E-Folder setup for faculty. In this video, we will walk you through how to efficiently implement and manage QEC E-Folder in Google Drive, helping your faculty stay organized while saving resources. Let's dive into the process to enhance your department's efficiency. Strategy for E-Folders. Folder access and setup. The HoD will download the folder to their drive and grant access to the faculty member to upload the required content. Content upload by faculty members. Faculty member will upload the required course folder material according to the specified deadlines. Initial review by HoD. The HoD will review the uploaded content to check for completeness and accuracy. Feedback at revision. If any content is missing or needs revision, the HoD will inform the concerned faculty member who will make it the necessary updates and resubmit within the allotted time. Final review by HoD. The HoD will conduct a final review of all submission to ensure that all content meets the required standards. Folder submission to QEC. Once all content is verified, the HoD will replace the departmental folder with the QEC folder on or before the QEC deadline. Notification to deans and faculty. The HoD will notify the faculty member and the dean once the final folder has been submitted to the QEC, confirming that the process is complete. The QC will create a folder named Fall24 with all subfolders organized by the QEC to ensure a structural arrangement of materials. Upon accessing the folder, user will see different correspondence to the available faculties. For instance, within the Faculty of Computing and IT folder, there will be subfolder for each department. Next, we will click on Artificial Intelligence department. We will find subfolder for each semester ranging from semester 1 to semester 8, and if we click on semester 1, it will reveal additional subfolder named after the courses offered during the semester. The HoD will need to rename each course folder with the appropriate course title to ensure clarity. Furthermore, if we click on any semester such as course 1, we will find 4 specific subfolders: course outline, attendance and books, lectures, results, and semester end reports. This structured approach helps maintain organization and accessibility of course. General checklist. The concerned HoD may specify the format of the folder as per the rules of the accreditation bodies, if any. However, in general, the following format is followed: course outline and timetable, a copy of all quizzes, assignments, mid-semester, final paper, or copies of all results, copy of fortnightly progress report in which you need to mention held, missed, makeup classes, quizzes, assignments, etc. Attendance sheet before, mid and final grades awarded to that class, best, average and worst copies of the student assessment, and finally semester end reports including suggestion for improvements. Thank you. Purpose: resource efficiency. Transitioning from hard copies to e-folder eliminate the need for paper, ink, and physical storage, significantly reducing cost and environmental impact. E-folders are a sustainable solution that helps conserve natural resources while aligning with eco-friendly goals. Accessibility and convenience. E-folders enhance accessibility and convenience by allowing remote access and update to documents, increasing flexibility in document management. Organization and version control. E-folders enable systematic organization and easy version control, ensuring access to up-to-date material and reducing confusion over outdated documents. space and cost saving. E-folder stored in cloud systems like Google's Drive eliminate the need for physical storage space, reducing office clutter and lowering storage management cost over time. Collaboration in e-folders enhance collaboration by allowing multiple users to access and edit documents simultaneously, speeding up workflows and improving communication. Security and backup. E-folders enhance security with password protection and access permission for authorized users while providing automatic backup on cloud platforms, safeguarding documents against theft or damage. Real-time updates for QEC compliance. E-folders facilitate real-time updates for quality enhancement cell compliance, allowing course material to be efficiently reviewed and assessed, which reduces submission delays and error associated with hard copies.